Today we are making deep-fried scallops. Large sea scallops called Hotate are lightly seasoned with salt and pepper, breaded with Panko breadcrumbs and deep-fried. This is a great appetizer to go with drinks or an entree served with rice and miso soup. First, we remove excess moisture from the scallops using paper towels. We bought these large, great-looking frozen scallops from Hokkaido, Japan, here in the US, and defrosted them before using. Coat them with flour, dip them in beaten egg, then covered with the Panko breadcrumbs. Panko can be found at local grocery stores or online stores. Heat the deep frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and deep fry the crumb-covered scallops, turning them a couple of times during frying. Cook until they turn golden brown in color and float in the oil about 3 minutes. Serve immediately with lemon wedges and tonkatsu sauce if you like. Crispy outside and sweet and juicy inside. Deep-fried scallops are absolutely delicious. If you like katsu, you should definitely give this a try.
美味しい。
美味しいね。